Mr. Lover. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I take care of my face. Alright, okay, so what I'm going to be using today is fresh aloe vera plant. Or you can use this aloe vera I also bought from Guidance. You can get it from pharmacy. 99% of aloe vera, Jeju aloe vera. Alright, so yeah, if you want to see how I take care of my face with aloe vera, keep watching to the end. And of course, before we begin with the video, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? It's right down below this video. Just hit the button, and it's subscribe button in red. Subscribe. Thank you very much. And also don't forget to turn the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will get notified, so you can get to watch the video. So today I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera plant, and I'll also need rose water. I have a small bowl here with me for mixing, and I also have my rice flour. This is actually DIY rice flour. I did it at home, guys. So let's go straight ahead and do this. So I want to extract the gel from this aloe vera. I put it first in water to make it easy for the gel to come off. I guess I will do it too. I'm gonna extract it. I'm going to use this other part for my face. Yes, boo boo, yes. I'm just gonna keep that there. You can see the gel coming out. Very easy. So as you can see, this is what I got from me, and this is my rose water. I don't know if I put it this way or that way. So I'm going to put in 1 spoon of rose water and mix very well. Okay, once I'm done mixing, I'm going to try to find a container like this. You can actually keep it in the fridge for about 6 to 7 days. It's in this container. Alright, we're going to be using it in the rice flour here, which I'm going to use to scrub. I'm going to use to scrub my face. It's very slimy. In a circular manner, you want to do that gently. Oh, that one is dropped. I use another one. So after I finish washing my face, guys, my face feels so good, really good. You have to try this. You have to try this. Okay, I've been doing this for some time now. You can do scrub your face at least 2 times a week. Alright, this is my rose water and aloe vera gel with a little bit of room temperature water. I'm just going to apply it on my face and let it sit. I'm going to apply it on my face, guys. I just want to apply that all over your face. Let's absorb. Then you go down your neck. In the circular motion is always good. You want to massage your face. You already massage your face, but for me, I don't want to do it so you can penetrate very well. Since it doesn't stink and it's all natural ingredients, you can apply it on your eyes as well. It contains no chemical at all. Let it dry off. You have to rinse this one. So yeah, let it dry. You can do this at night before you sleep. So once it dries, you can sleep. You wake up in the morning, you take a shower. Very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.